Hello, this is Brother Cromar from the Math Department. What I'd like to do is I want to show you some commands that you will be using for Lesson 3. I figured creating a video in one area would help you to go through all the different commands you could be using for SPSS. Here's a data set. Whenever you do an assignment, you'll just click on the link in Brain Honey and it'll open up into SPSS. So what you can do in SPSS, first of all, we'll ask you to do histograms, for instance, and that's pretty straightforward. If you click on Graph Legacy Dialog Histogram, then you go into, we can use whatever variables we want. I'll just pick this heart. This is heart rate. This is heart rates from students. And then if you click on OK, you'll see that this would be a histogram here. Okay. Now another command, something else that we'll ask you to do for lesson 3 is to do something called the Explore command. So if you go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics Explore, okay, we'll use the same data. We'll use heart rate data. And then we'll take heart rate, we'll put this in the dependent list box. And then what we'll do is we'll do a couple of other things. So I'm going to click on Statistics, and then I'm going to click on Percentiles. Okay, and the reason why we want percentiles is because it'll allow us to get us what is called Q1 and Q3. Okay, and we click on Continue, and then if we click on Plots, I'll also, we don't need, you don't need this because you can get the histogram from the other commands that we just worked on. We can click on that. And also, something that we'll cover later, in a few lessons later, is doing normality plots with tests. So we click on Continue and then click on OK, and out pops a whole slew of information here. Okay, so for instance here with the heart rate data, the mean heart rate for all these students was 72.5, the median, and there were some other things, the variance, the standard deviation. And then down here, the 25th and 75th percentile represents Q1 and Q3 respectively, and then the 50th percentile is Q2 or the median. You can also get a histogram from here, as well as you go further down, there's what's called the QQ plots, which we'll cover later. Then you'll have something which is called a box plot. Now in this box plot here, the minimum is here, the Q1 is here, Q2 or the median is here, Q3 is here, and then here's the maximum. And so those are really the commands that you need for lesson 3.